a step-by-step guide to using the Solos Holidays app. Welcome to the Solos Holidays app. Let's get started. Step 1. Type Solos into the user ID box. Then click Next. Step 2. Enter your unique passcode. This will be the initial of your first and last name, followed by your booking reference. For example, John Smith would need to enter JS891206. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy the Solos app. Click on Summary to find out more about your trip, where you will be staying and the local area. Find your travel invoice, boarding passes, itinerary and e-tickets in your travel documents. For more information, click on the arrow in the bottom right. Here you can keep an eye on the weather before and during your trip. Stay up to date with live flight details, including which gate to board at. If you have more than one trip coming up, click on the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner. Select Load New and repeat steps 1 and 2. And you are ready to go. But remember, your travel documents will only show up in your app 2 weeks before you depart. So, in the meantime, just enjoy the countdown to your holiday with Solos.